I see your cheeks. Hold it. Hold it. You can't hold it. He's trying so hard. What is that? Come here. Let's see it. Yay!
There's your ball.
I'm going to shut it again.
Whoa! Good job. Good job. It's gonna rain into that one.
Oh my goodness, you're so big. You're so big. Yes, you are.
Look, he's trying to push forward.
Woohoo! Yeah! Woo!
Okay, I'll try.
Ready? Come on. Hi. Hi. Are you ready, Isaac? Ready, set, go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. 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 Are you happy? Oh, where are you going? Are you happy? Hi. Hi. No, brother, no. Where are you? I can't see you. There you are. Hi. Hi. Huh? What? You ready? Ready to go? He's like, yes, I'm ready. Come on. That fun? Are you tired? Oh no, don't cry. Say more, brother, more. Whoa. Skirt. Hi. You coming? Say, come on, brother. Get to it. Ooh, I can't see you over there. Are you going to get a head start? Are you going to get a running start? And go. Oh, that was fast. Is that fun? No, don't dump me out. Don't dump me out. Don't dump me out. That was so much fun. Make it go. Can you make it go? Push. Can you push it? Say my brother's supposed to be the one to make it go. Yeah, yeah. Tell him, come on. Whee! Whee! Ooh, be careful. Whoa. Oh my goodness, be careful. Come on, Chris. Where'd the hair go? Like that is any better for your back. You're too funny. Oh, it ran into the couch. Oh, gosh. Whoops. You going forward? Point this way.
Okay.
This way. What? You want to build tower blocks and knock them over onto the ground? Tower of blocks. Oh. Little. Gonna make some room and knock it over. Destruction! Ah, ow! That was hurtful. You knocked me. Uh-oh. Yeet. Say yeet. This. Okay, we have to build it really fast. And very messy. You want to put it on? Good job. You gonna put it on? Here, you put it on the top. Yeah, you got too many in your hand. Here you go. I'll help you. You want to put that one on? Here, put it on. Put it on. There we go. Good job. Okay. Now, you freed up your hand. There you go. Oops. Here, hold it this way and try. You go. Now try. Good job. Yeah, look what you did. You want to put it on down? Okay, you put it on. Look at that. Hey, that's really good. Oh. Yeah, that's a big tower. You want to put it on? Good job. Almost. There it is. Good job. Good job. Oh, no. Oh, you ripped his foot off. Brutal. Brutal. That one doesn't fit. You're like Godzilla, ripping up the forest of blocks. Blocks. Say blocks? Ooh, see that? Yeah. Put it on there. Good job. It's a cool tower you're building. Rip it apart. Throw it on the ground. Oh, you did. No? Oh, yes, no. What are you doing? What? Huh? I don't know. You just have a block sticking out of your mouth. Can you put it on? Here, try it this way. Okay, there we go. Good job. Yes, stand up and put it on. You're too short there. There we go. There. Good job. Go get another one. Go get. Are you being weak in the knees? Put it back. Oh, good job. There we go. Here, let's turn it around. Here, try it now. Try it now. Good job. Good job, Sally. Oh, the tower. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, you want to put it back? Oh. Oh. What are you saying all that stuff? I want to know what you're saying to me. What are you saying? Oh, oh really? Really? Oh. Don't get my glasses. I need those. Oh no! Oh no! Go ahead. Go ahead. Excuse me. Sorry I was in your way. Go ahead. Excuse me. Say excuse me. This is what you get for going the wrong way. This is not the right way. I was sitting here. And you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face are gonna show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Yeah. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Where are you going? Big boo. If you're happy and you know it, then your face is gonna show it. Yeah, she's funny. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Good job. Are you happy? You can't sit on that. Get off there. Ooh, that's so cool.
Don't knock him down. Don't knock him down.
Yeah, they look great. Good job. You like them, Isaac? I think it's great.